Wife is truly a gift, but it is not easy to get. You need to strive harder before you can get her yes, dear. How to show your love to your wife. First, talking to her. There are so many things you need to talk in your plan. Your family and even your personal outlook. There are moments when she needs to tell something very important, and you are there to disagree or to grant. Second, roaming with her. Let her roam and wander to some other places. To let her enjoy and make her refresh, just like when you were still courting to her. A promise that you will bring her anywhere. Third, getting she wants. Let her experience that she could own something she desires. Without murmuring but additives of cares, believe me, she would not ask something you can't give. Because a responsible wife thinks ahead of what you believe. Fourth, helping her. Every person is quite unique in almost all aspects. Different talents, skills and prospect. That is why and wherever you are expert in something else. Helping your wife is a great sense of love that she will truly feels. Lastly, let her laugh. Yes, you are not a clown nor a jester of her to let her smile. Not even getting some jokes from a book or someone's file, but the natural sense of humor you always do, and by saying the magical words "I love you." Yes, you hear it exactly. I love you.